everybody, welcome back to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. Today's session is all about strength and balance. So we're going to combine some Tai Chi movements like our single whip and our bow stance and empty stance. But we're going to focus on leg strength and really developing and maintaining that strength and helping us with our balance too. So let's get started. This session's about 15 minutes long of gentle low impact exercise. We're starting with a warm up and doing our hip circles. And we have a focus on our leg strength today. So do really focus on the muscle groups that you are using in the lower body. We want to build strength, maintain strength. This will help our balance in our daily activities. And for seniors or older adults looking to develop that strength, then Tai Chi are great exercises to achieve this. Swinging the arms forwards and back with a knee bend. Swinging the arms out to the sides and back down again with the knee bend. And it wouldn't be our warm-up without knocking on the door, turning from the waist just as far as you can. Always remember to listen to your own body, keeping everything well within your comfort zone. We're swinging those arms freely and just loosening off and warming up. Brilliant. So we're bringing it back to our center. We're going to start our main section, and do remember your posture. We're lifting up through the crown. We are sinking our body weight into the floor. Really feel that floor underneath your feet. We want that grounded, rooted feeling, and keeping everything relaxed at the joints. Holding our chi ball, we're opening that ball and closing the ball, adding a knee bend. Inhaling here as we open the hands, exhaling as we bring them back towards each other, adding that natural resistance to the movement. If you're feeling comfortable, then take the feet wider and sink into a deeper horse stance. This is going to help develop your leg strength even more by adding that deeper lower body movement. We're holding our horse stance as we bring the ball low, and then we're lifting high, stretching through the body and release that stretch. So again, by holding ourselves in that deeper horse stance, we are developing that leg strength with that low impact natural movement of the lower body. Transferring our body weight over to side bow and creating our single whip hook. And by staying on the same side here, we're bending over to our side bow. Again, we're developing that leg strength. And the way we create our single whip hook is by pinching our fingers together. Let's repeat that on the other side and work that other leg. This time we're moving on, adding the single whip strike, and we're going to transfer our weight just through from side bow over to horse stance. Let's do that on the other side. Progressing that now to a single whip from side bow all the way through horse stance and to side bow on the other side as we strike. Now we're moving on to add our bow stance to the single whip. So tapping that foot and then we're heel toe stepping out to our bow stance. If you can keep that back supporting leg bent as we transfer and tap in, it's going to help develop that strength in your leg. Turning our feet out slightly, we're going to move on to our empty stance. We want to be transferring our body weight over to one side. Think transfer and sink down into that supporting leg. Then we can release that foot to tap forwards in empty stance. Let's repeat it on the same side a few times and then we'll transfer over to the other side. Adding our white crane spreads its wings, arm movement. Remember, we are turning the waist to follow the hands. Once we're set up in empty stance, we're going to stay here and practice some single leg lifts. So keeping the body weight really grounded and planted in that supporting leg and holding our balance as we lift that front foot. And same again on the other side. Fabulous. So we're going to put all that together in a little combination. Single whip, tapping in, stepping out to our bow stance with our strike, and then we're transferring the weight back, adding our white crane spreads its wing to empty stance and lift the leg for that balance. And then we're going to repeat it again, all on the same side. Let's swap over to the other side. I hope you feel with those movements and combination that you've really worked your lower body and you're feeling that strength developing in your legs. Let's just stretch it out. We're bringing the weight forwards and stretching through that back leg and then bringing it back and feeling that stretch in the back of the front leg. Let's do that again and then we'll swap and repeat that with the other leg forwards. Bringing our feet together and we'll do pressing palms, breathing in, big stretch high, press the palms and focus on drawing that line right down your midline as we exhale. We're inhaling as the arms come up, exhaling as the arms come down. As always, thanks so much for joining me on these Tai Chi and QiGong sessions, and do remember to follow me and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything else that we're doing here. Thanks again, guys. See you soon. Bye.